Usage billing, also known as consumption or metered billing, is a recurring billing model where your customers pay for products and services based on their usage. The amount customers pay varies depending on how much they consume in their billing period. You track each customer's usage and calculate the amount to invoice based on the term of their contract. For example, you may charge by number of transactions performed, volume of data transferred, time of services used, or the number of users or devices connected. You may offer tier pricing, where customers pay a price for each unit in a tier, or you may offer cumulative or volume pricing, where customers pay a price for their total number of units consumed. You may also charge a minimum, a maximum, or overage charges, which can change from contract to contract. How you recognize revenue for usage billing can become quite challenging because amounts billed vary each month, and because each customer's profile is different. The ASC 606 and IFRS 15 guidance require that you estimate the consumption that will occur in the year and that you maintain variable consideration. For example, one customer who changes tiers within a billing period as their usage grows may earn a discount, and another customer may cut down their usage and fall to a different pricing tier. One customer may have a prepaid plan that draws down and rolls over to the next period, while another has a postpaid plan invoiced in arrears. To be compliant with the ASC 606 and IFRS 15 revenue recognition standards, your back office accounting team must correctly track and recognize revenue. This becomes especially challenging if you bundle training or implementation costs with the pay-per-usage service. You may then need to unbundle these costs and perform allocations against standalone selling price or SSP. An even bigger challenge of usage billing is that to perform allocations, you must know the total contract value, or TCV. However, on day one of the contract, the value of the usage billing line item is zero because no consumption has occurred yet. You must estimate what the usage will be over the year to determine the value to use in the allocation calculation. You may also have to deal with contract modifications and need to adjust the consideration to be recognized. If you're still using multiple spreadsheets, multiple vendors, and expensive customizations, it's time to use one solution that reconciles total order value, usage billing, and revenue recognition. The SOFTRAX Revenue Management System, or RMS, generates invoices for your usage-based billing and automates the revenue recognition. Our powerful policy-driven automation enables you to recognize revenue as usage occurs. In SOFTRAX RMS, you configure usage billing with price books, which determine your tiers and pricing rules. Your customer's order details are imported into SOFTRAX RMS, and billing and revenue recognition schedules are automatically created. Regular usage records are also imported, and through automation with your price book, the amount to invoice is calculated. As more usage records are loaded, amounts to invoice are automatically updated, and previously calculated amounts are analyzed to account for tier price differences. You then generate and distribute invoices for your usage-based subscriptions. And through our powerful policy-driven automation, revenue recognition is automatically calculated. RMS automatically calculates the remaining total contract value based on the actual usage that was billed. If contract combinations or modifications are needed through the life of the contract, RMS performs prospective reallocations of revenue or cumulative catch-ups as appropriate. You can also manage material rights and handle variable consideration. At any time, you can view a history of usage and amounts billed. Because RMS stores data for the order, billing, and the revenue recognition, usage-based billing is automatically reconciled with revenue recognition. You can easily understand how much of the full order value was billed, how much revenue was recognized, and amounts remaining in unbilled or deferred revenue. Are you ready to explore how you can use SOFTRAX RMS for your billing and revenue recognition? Contact us at sales@softrax.com to schedule a 30-minute consultation.